Pwede ba tumayo tayo? Yung nakagusto ng performance ni Claudine, tumayo! Oh gosh! Isa natin. Una, nung nagbigay ako ng advice sa inyo nung elimination night, naging proud ako tonight kasi sinunod nyo yung sinabi ko. Okay? Secondly, nilampasan mo ba yung aking expectation, Claudine? For that, I am very proud. Alam mo, kinakabahan ako kasi tama yung sabi nila, like yung sinabi ko ng elimination, pwede ka sa national contest. Dapat lang. May contest pa ba? Parang sa akin wala na eh. Naibigay mo na lahat. It was really a very spectacular show.
Sa ating mga madlang audience, agpaigit kayo, we shall now come to the group dance na. Yan. Mga ating, yan. Evacuate na po natin yung stage.
IBM, the Intensity Beat Movers.
The IBM, the Intensity Beat Movers.
Prepare yourself. Dougie, fresh like 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 Dougie.
Let's start the party! Ako ba na rin?
Oh my God!
Drop that beat.
Banana block like what else should I bro? Banana block like what else should I bro? Banana block like what else should I bro? Banana block like 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 banana block like
Hit it.
And then may mga surprises pa kayo kami. Siguro pag may chance, ang Natividad Pangasinan ay may pambato para sa showtime. Ayan.
Okay, thank you, Mom. Judge number 2, sir.
IBM Antaroy. Antaroy. Yung H dapat, Antaroy. Dahil may hangas, may energy. Bongga. Sabi nga ni Ingrid, pang showtime, yes, check na check. At of course, abangan niyo siya sa showtime, lalabas siya. Biglang nag-plug. Para sa'yo. Magbibigay ng pera. Anyways, IBM, ang linis ng execution ninyo. Panalo. Alam mo, sabi nga nila, you can see a triangle dapat. Yung vision ng isang tao, triangle na before. No? Kayo, na-occupy niyo yung triangle na yon. Nakita ko bawat movement ng bawat isa. Ang linis, bongga.
Now, the chairman of the board.
Oo, tama na naman silang dalawa. Dagdag ko lang kasi may mga nasilip akong hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan. Ito yun. Kapag kasi sumasayaw kayo, dapat yung mga ulo nakatingin sa audience. Huwag kayong titingin sa baba. Several of you naka-look down. So, yun, alisin yun. Second, every time na magpe-perform kayo, always execute a graceful bow. Bakit? Pagpupugay sa kurado at sa mga magandang people, hindi nyo yung kasi ginawa. Hindi ko yung nasabi nung elimination round yun yung hinahanap ko, pero kung lalabas naman kayo ng Natividad at magkikipag-compete kayo outside your municipality, try to do it. Napakagandang tignan kasi parang alam mo yung you respect the audience and the judges.
On to our last set of entry.
Entry
Our-
number 12.
Yes.
Street Crew.
Okay, our last entries, Street Crew, is from Poblacion East, Natividad, Pangasinan. And our entry number 12, the Street Crew.
We may be small, but our hearts are large. Check it out, check it out. Let's go! Here we go from the film Beat the World. Let's rock! I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament.
kanina, hindi lang pala isa ang ating pambato dito sa natibidad. Pagdating sa sayaw, ang gagwapo nila lang. Ang daming pilihan. Oh, mami, may scholar ka na. Anyway, eto, pagdating naman sa performance yung kanina, mas malinis siya as kinumpare natin dun sa naunang performance. But then again, yung kanina naman na dance school, they have other points naman sa ibang criteria. What else can I say? I'm not a dancer myself, but I used to watch a lot of dance performances ng iba't ibang grupo. I don't know if this is true, but you draw an inspiration from Amplify. Are they your friends? Are they your good friends also? At saka sa performance yun, parang nakikita ako, na-feel ko may camaraderie talaga. May teamwork. May brotherhood sa inyo. If there's a good form of fraternity or brotherhood, ito na yun. Congrats, ang ganda.
Guys, street crew. Pwede mag-back out na bilang judge. Kasi ako panalo. Pwede ba kung sasali kayo sa mga national competition? I-text nyo ako ng manager nyo. Ay, umaman pa ako sa inyo. Okay, bimitawan na kita sila nagpapalit ko. And then, just lang. Okay, street crew. Eto, akala ko magka-cramping kayo hanggang sa huli. Pero you break the monotony and I love it. You have the unique stance, you execute it properly. Medyo hindi malinis, pero perfect. Okay? Perfect yung outcome. Okay? Yung isang comment pa is, dapat as a performer, ang pinakauna dyan, comfortable ka sa ginagawa mo. Okay? Nakita ko sa inyo, majority sa inyo, comfortable sa ginagawa, na i-enjoy niya, nasasakot niya yung stage. Pero yung nakita ko yung bata, hindi siya comfortable mag-bra. Yan, you know what, little boy, you will be somebody someday. Natividad, salamat for sharing your talents sa amin.
O lahat ng nasa bubong, pumalakpak! Kaya, tingnan nyo. Tama yung desisyon ko na ihuli ko kayo. Kasi, inakyat kayo ng mga nandun, no? Para lang makita. Ang sabuhian ay very, very proud sa inyong lahat. Yun yung nararamdaman namin. IBM, guys, street crew, win or lose, panalo kayo. Bakit may lose doon? Kasi this is not just a dance crew competition. Nandyan yung mga laban natin. The singers did dance also. So, tingnan na namin, tatlo naman kami eh. So, whoever is the winner, really the winner and deserving. At lahat kayo na nakapasok sa top 12, deserving kayong lahat. Madlang people ng Natividad, another one round of applause sa lahat ng mga casters. Oh my God. Love ko na kayo. Okay, see you all in season 3. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. That is our entry, number 12, Street Crew.
Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our top 12 finalists for the Natividad Got Talent Season 2 2012 to Grand Finalists. Okay, for us to move on, for us to give an entertainment, of Miss Ai. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Mr. Kenny Padilla. I'm so sorry, stand to be corrected. Kenny!
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
In this crazy world, you're a Mona Lisa. When there was upon my head, this heart was to we can laugh about how time really flies. Say goodbye. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. 'Cause you will always be beautiful. You will always go beautiful. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Happy to be
Cutest and a wave of Peace II. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause to Mr. Kenny Patalia. To our audiences na nasa likod po ng mga board of judges na maaari po ay i-vacate po nila yung...
I'm the best there is at what I do.
Hold up, bitch.
Miss Dalos. Judge number 2, Miss Ingrid Payaket. Ano, ma'am?
Hindi mo mag-vlog.
Okay, ma'am.
Gusto mo natin iibihan ang lahat ng ating mga kapamilya na sana po totoo ka naman kayo sa Baguio City. At anytime po na nandun po kayo, pinifeature po natin ang lahat po ng talents. So, yes, lagi po namin kayo binabati. So, sana po lagi rin niyo po pinapanood.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me po, mag-vlog din po ako. Pwede po. Session na po. ha?
Okay, we're stand to be awake lang, sir. It's stand to be corrected. Our judge number 1 is Mr. Ricky Dacos, sir.
Lucas po. Lucas.
Lucas. Sorry, stand to be corrected again.
Yeah, and of course, lagi po kayong manood ng Ibaga Morning Kapamilya yan. Freelance host din po ako ng TV Patrol Northern Luzon. Baranggayan segment po. Ayan, magkita-kita po tayo.
The Apocalypse Masters, Magic Idol 2011, and France Alejandro 2011.
Natividad Got Talent Season 1. And of course, this are the list of our non-winners or the consolation prizes. Okay. Okay. Okay, this I have in my hand the official results of the winners and the non-winners. I guess everyone was so excited.
So good luck, contenders.
So ladies and gentlemen, as we have always saying, that our first consolation prizes, okay, in random order. Okay, may we call on Mr. Conrado Galvizo. Got the overall score of 72%.
Next consolation prize is Galindo Maglino.
Yes.
0.3.
Shots. Next consolation prize, get the overall score of 80.6%. Our next consolation prize winner is Miss Javelin Novena.
Consolation prize. You got the 81.3%. Miss Myla Pizaras.
Okay, our next consolation winner got the overall score of 81.6%. Our next consolation winner is Mr. Macnail Sabit. Yan.
Average score of 83.5 is Miss Jai Sabit. Yun na!
List of non-winner, or what is so-called the last set of consolation winners. Yes! You're one of it. Got 83.6%. May we call Mr. Marvin Maglino. Unmentioned, mga top 5 from here, the final result. Yes, hold your breath. Awards, please award the winner. Okay. Yes, our 5th placer got the overall score of 87.3%. Yes, you are in. Marimar Ano, our 5th placer.
Congratulations, Marimar.
Of course, our honorable municipal mayor. Our 4th runner-up, our 4th placer, got the overall score of 88.1%. Our 4th placer is, yes, you are Mr. Rodel Aison.
Congratulations.
A big before applause, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, Mr. Rodel Aison. Okay? Or the second placer. The second placer automatically. The second. The third runner-up got the overall score of 88.8%. 88.6%. Yes. You're lucky. Ta-da-da. Okay, our third runner-up, he calls himself the Intensity Bit Movers. Yes.
Sino sa inyong akala? Dito! Sino? Loud din daw. Yung kayo loud! Sino? Loud din din. Dito ay abaganan! Ay, nako. Eto na! The first runner-up garnered. Hindi, sasabihin ko lang yun. Score niya. An average score of 90.5. And the champion got a score of 92.1. So medyo malaki din yung difference, no? 2.1. Natividad! The first runner-up is none other than okay, champion na daw. Champion na. Pareho kasing magaling eh, kaya nasa sayaw ba o nasa kanta? Okay, so ang champion natin ay yung kumanta at sumayaw. Loud enjoy Tawata!
Our season 2. Hello. Our season 2 Natividad Got Talent grand winner. We have Miss Claudine Joy Tawataw. Of course, our Natividad Got Talent season 2 first runner-up, the Street Crew. Okay. Maybe, of course, our honorable Vice Mayor will awarding their prize. Again, yes. Again, to our panel, the Board of Judges, thank you for gracing our occasion. Thank you very much, sir. Gracing us, sir.
Where's
Of
the
course,
councilors?
our honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Vice Mayor Mateo Briones, and of course, their active councils. Okay, thank you so much.